Chaos in our town. Chaos in our town. Chaos and the name in and around here. Our people, this is the next KFC. Yeah. So the yes are not different from the other one. Jaja, look at the crowd. Look at it. Police are block off the entrance here. Some people, this is the #1 KFC in Spanish Town. God bless travelers. Welcome to another video. And today we are in Spanish Town. And my people, this is one crowd up the line there. Me say today at the 50th anniversary of KFC. So we are told that. So KFC in honor already. Big up yourself, the princess. She said no. So we're riding through and we're gonna get some of the excitement of the 50th anniversary of the KFC, where I was told that if you buy a 3-piece, you get 2-piece, 3. So chaos up a line that I was told. So let's see. Let's go, my people. Everywhere full. School children line long. Yeah. All because of one 3-piece. This not normal. Let's go, my people. Let's see. What you say? You just take one 3-piece to create all the chaos and the name in and around here. Alright. KFC, Spanish Town. Jaja. You say you just take one 3-piece and the chaos and the name. Hey, alright. I'm gonna be doing a so what go on, my princess? This is one 3-piece and a crowd. Oh yeah, so that's what KFC are going. Alright. And 2 line are long. One of the longest me ever see for the longest while. Yeah. Stay tuned, my people, and watch out. So this is the Oasis Plaza here in Spanish Town, and catching my people. Yeah. So the dance, so they all dance. All the people might dance. They might celebrate. Because they might say, yo, 1-piece 3. Yeah, man. Buy 1 3-piece and you get 2-piece 3. And that I go on. Alright. So the waiting lines here.
One guy ultra need one TikTok.
Yes, yes.
We on 1 DK.
Talk loud.
We on 1 DK.
Me want excited YouTuber. Yeah, so talk up.
One RIOT and I got this.
So shout out on yourself and encourage people to start
we on TikTok here. So dance to get money. So like to get money.
Yes. Speak up yourself.
Always down for the people. You say anything you want, go for that. You hear that?
Slow process is better than no process.
Believe.
Anything you want.
Then they tell me, I'm not going to make it a look for me now.
Enough people say, what can do you think now? I'm still there on TikTok. I try and I make it.
Yeah, man. So when I see one dance earlier, I think I KFC when I dance.
Say, who make it up? Dance this. Who make it up? Sweet place. Guy here in the guy place. Look at this.
Yeah.
Go.
Last year, friend there.
Yo. See that?
Yeah, man. I'm just wearing a shirt. Yeah. Let's travelers, bro.
Ever bless travels. Ask over TikTok and follow me.
Subscribe.
Yeah, yeah. Some people the KFC line. Lord. I wonder if we can get on the inside. So where's the G? Where's the no school today? 1 free piece. You have a 3 piece.
Yeah.
I guess we get 1 piece.
2 piece.
A 2 piece.
I have to say 2 now again. Is anything that people say? Don't believe it.
Yeah.
I always got to try hold it down.
Yeah.
And you have to focus on yourself and go feed. You know that.
Slow process is better than no process. Believe. Alright, and we are walking. The line long. So I'll walk through. Drive to. Pick up yourself, Never bless travel. And give yourself a shout out. You're a TikToker. Yeah, man. Shout out yourself, man. Never bless travel.
You know, say I want dirty food data.
One what?
Dirty food data.
Jesus Christ. I might not give you that name there. Anyway, do your thing, Jay. Shout out yourself.
You know, dirty food data, guys. You can follow me on TikTok, you know. One dirty food data on the app, man.
Yeah, man. And a KFC try out there today.
KFC draw me out and me a stream, guys.
So I'm to you, Jay. Okay. So I wonder if you're live, listen yourself and say a video, say a doing a video and you have video back. Oh, me da watch a live a while. So I say, see one Joe there, them a video, me a video them back. So that was my Joe, my brother. Later on you see that. Alright, shout out yourself again, G. You shout out yourself?
Nah, man.
So why you might do TikTok and you're not TikTok, you follow?
Nah, me TikTok, I'm not shout out.
Okay.
Wrap this money.
Alright. That's where I think come down, my people. There 1 piece, 3 piece. Look, you see what the camera there? Oh, you say 3 piece and 2 piece. Alright. That's how you know in the line, so you'll get to. Okay. KFC line long to them people. But it's a KFC just announced. So they might give a 2 piece and the whole place a chaos. So I think come down. Yeah, I'm video already, you know. One long time, you know. One long time ago. You sell out all this. Now your son them are the entrepreneur about this. You feel proud of your son them, big up your son them, man. What them there? They go to school. You too light, so them name them say them all go away.
That's how you go.
So big them man, them are watching, you know.
Big up, man. Big up.
Call him on the name, man. Alright. So KFC smell nice. And this is the code store. So we're just show you Spanish later. Yeah, TikToker. What you want to do? Big up on yourself, man.
Hi guys, big up me.
No, you have to call your name up here.
You know when they follow me.
You know nobody follow you? So come on for TikTok then. Because of that you're there for. Alright, shout big up Ever Blessed Travels.
Big up where?
Ever Blessed Travels.
Ever Blessed Travels.
Yeah, man. See how you find me there? So subscribe to my page.
Yes, right.
Yeah, man. No, man, I turn up, I turn up, share a link, man. You don't know her? I first see her in your life. You too lie. Alright, big up. Yeah, man. Subscribe to me, thing, man.
Subscribe to you. You don't know you have to subscribe to it.
Yeah.
Subscribe to it. Yeah, miss out.
Oh, yo, man. And that we are talking about. So we're at the court store now, and we are looking at the surroundings of this place. Ever Blessed Travels is showcasing to you, my people, for wherever you're tuning in from. It's Ever Blessed Travels. And my intention, my people, is to showcase beautiful things, people and places, and this is one of it. KFC has created Oasis car park, ram up. And it not take no long planning. It just say buy 3 piece and you get 2 piece free. And people take the off from work. Yeah. Some people. Just stay tuned as Ever Blessed continue to showcase. I want to go on the inside of the KFC now, but it's kind of difficult. Yeah. People don't want you to do for me now. What you say, you subscribe? You subscribe to the channel already? So means Ever Blessed is going places.
Ever Blessed. Oh,
you subscribe to me?
just watch them. I was watching.
Jaja, yo, tell me one something when one of you watch. Just tell me something you're watching. Just one little thing. Just to prove to people that this didn't make up. Because sometimes we meet people on the street and some people say, oh, Ever Blessed stage that. Tell me one little something you're watching. No man, them people do that to us all the time. It's on a KFC. On a KFC today. On a KFC today.
Oh, you can't eat it today.
You see me, I tell you man. It's just a regular day. I Never Blessed I walk around and I show. Yeah man. Let's show you a piece of Spanish town, my people. Oasis Plaza, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Big up yourself, my people. The family man, YouTuber, can you give me a support, please? Who want to give me a support? Subscribe to the thing, man. That easy, you know. It's free, you know. You not really say free? Okay, you not really say free, my people. What them do? They not serve fast enough? They not serve fast enough for the back of the show? Cha-cha. KFC hat my people some drink water.
How are you there? Come here. If somebody in one beef, then I get you.
Yeah man. At 5 years you're entitled to it. They say you have a limit of No, what they say you can buy 5 pieces. Your limit is 5 pieces.
Yes, sir.
Your limit is 5 pieces.
What do you mean? Like say if not buying
5 pieces. You can buy 6 pieces. 5. One person.
me know I buy 2 pills, right? And 2 pills. 2 pills. The 4 pack, the 4 box, no?
3 pieces. That's right. A 3 piece and you get 2 pieces.
Listen, yeah. 2 piece.
3 pieces.
3 piece. So I buy 3 pieces.
And you get 2 pieces. You're right.
So look at 2 somebody now 1 piece.
I don't know if I don't know about the part. I don't know about the part.
Me I buy that somebody.
I don't know about the part.
You want to check it out for me?
How would I ask? I'd have to ask somebody on the inside. Just to make a regular ride show.
Cola man. Brownie, no cola serviette? Cola man.
Regular ride show in a Spanish town, my people. Yeah. So show the business. So Spanish Town is very blessed. KFC, Spanish Town have 3 KFC, my people. Yeah. So I'm gonna visit number 2, just leaving from the number 1 KFC. So I'm gonna be going at number 2 and to see what. Yeah. I make everything better, we are go through. Slow process is better than no process. Says Bedford. So I'm going to see where the KFC are going with. Stay tuned, my people. A regular ride through Spanish Town. Yeah. Slow process is better than no process. This princess here has one leg and she say, eh, she not sit down, she a step out. Yeah. Yeah, man. Step out, my princess. Step out, my princess. Yeah, man. Step out, yeah. Me, the chaos is still at this side of my people. Jaja. Jaja. KFC. KFC, you mash up the head. KFC, you mash up the head. Jaja. Some of people, this is the next KFC. Yeah. So the yes are not different from the other one. Jaja, look at the crowd. Look at it. Police are block off the entrance here. Some of people, this is the number 1 KFC in Spanish Town. So this is the first one. Jaja. I saw around, I saw go on. 1, 2 free piece of chicken. Cause chaos. Jaja. Yo, Miji, go on. Go on the poster, man.
Yeah.
What you say, 2 free piece of chicken. I can't scare till I said get. No, Jamaica. Because they're everywhere. Number 1 is the poster, man. Big up yourself, man. Tell some people where they can't get it. Are you make it best? Sexy and all them things in the town there.
Step Bullock Lane.
Yeah, man.
Step Bullock Lane.
Yeah, man. Jaja. Big up yourself, Miji. KFC. Cause chaos. Jaja, look at. So for who new to this surround, this KFC is the number 1, is the first KFC that Spanish Town has. Then they move on to the one at Oasis and then up to the ones at Angel. So Angel is the number 3 KFC here in Spanish Town. Some of people. KFC did it. I saw you go on KFC. 2 free priests. And it... Jaja. Right, man. You're the delivery night on. Go get yourself a shout out, man. Go get yourself a shout out, man. You don't know if you expose yourself so that people can find you. you can give yourself a shout out on my channel. You can ask person to follow you. Just tell people your TikTok
Follow me
name.
on TikTok, Queen Phoenix.
Queen Phoenix.
Yeah.
That's the name we type in and we find you?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Alright, same here.
Yeah man, good. See it. So I'm ever blessed travel. I travel around, show beautiful things, people and places. How beautiful you are to be on my camera today. That is it, man. KFC, Spanish Town. So you said, KFC 50th anniversary. KFC said, we give you buy 3-piece, you get 2-piece, and it costs chaos. Spanish Town. Look, you can't go through, man. You can't go through. Go through, my brother. Look how high. Go through, my brother. It seems like this is gonna be for the whole day. And them police will get themselves in a problem today, I can guarantee you. Because they deal with people like hooligans.
Them hooligan already, you know?
Yeah, it will create chaos today. Them police will create problems today. Yeah. No, it don't work like that. People are spending their money. They don't have to be arrogant with people. That's the point. And people don't have to be arrogant now. It's just another day. Wow. The principle that we need in this country. Oh Lord. That not keep call for don't. This KFC is gonna create some problem in the town today. I guarantee you. Just wait for it. It's gonna happen. Some people. This is KFC Spanish Town. This is the, as I said before, this is the number one problem. Problem I got the with us today. Guarantee you. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, this one. Round that I go. Round there, chicken chuck go round. Chicken chuck go round. Chicken chuck go round. Alright, chicken chuck, no kill them. KFC, you did it. Come on, princess, give yourself a shout out. Tell my people where they can find you.
You can find me on TikTok as Queen Phoenix and on YouTube as Dominic 2.0.
Call YouTube name again?
Dominic 2.0.
Alright, some people I'm going to be asking of you to support this princess here. She's young in the business and want to grow. Please give her your full support. Tell her that you're coming from Ever Blessed Travels. Big up yourself, a princess.
Yeah.
Alright. KFC. Yeah. More police come. Security again tighter and tighter. Alright, so that's a loaded KFC truck. So that means this location couldn't prepare enough chicken. That is it. KFC lovers, come out! Come here, my princess! Spanish Town. What a princess! Yeah, sighting though. Chaos Town. Walk on. Walk on, Miji. Look at yourself, man. You say you're the funny. You're the No. YouTube. YouTube.
Take a picture.
You're trying to know, man. So me ask you sense, man. Say you good? Yeah, you're going with the entrepreneur business here, way. Yeah, man. Go on, do your thing, man. No, man. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. So we are going to some of people. We are now back at Oasis. And Oasis is the number 2 KFC here in St. Catherine. The third one is in Angels. So KFC, you did it. 50th anniversary for KFC. And KFC said, look here, just buy 3 pieces and me give you 2 pieces. See where card? One whole heap of people. Look on the line there. See? The line long all the way. So them people don't get served till tomorrow. Somebody say ever bless in that car. But I don't know who. Ever bless you get popular. All of a sudden. Alright. KFC is a little bit more disciplined than the number 1 KFC. This one is the number 2. But people stay tuned. I'll be showing you number 3, and number 3 is in Angels. Wonder what Angels is like. Yeah, man. Yo, check out my page. Check out my page. No. So you can't say the one I want to. Yeah. She said she want a free one. So if somebody in a one car.
No, I just one somebody. I just one. I get the 5.
Lord have mercy. Somebody on the side get knocked, you know. One lady on the side get knocked. Eh?
What am I get?
Because them a put more than one someone in a one car and it not go happen. Oh Lord. And then that's how you go. Yeah. After 5. Chacha. And you only get like how much we sell it?
25 in there now.
Jaja, you going to sell chicken later?
No, just work.
Jaja.
Friend of mine just eat KFC like free.
Oh, you mean? My traveling family. KFC 50th anniversary. Them say buy 3 piece, you get 2 piece free. This video, my people, will come to an end. Ever blessed travel is saying Solar, and stay tuned for the afternoon session. We'll be giving you the afternoon session, my people, so stay tuned for that.